We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket, measuring 60 inches in diameter, is a double-sided, food-themed throw blanket that has quickly become a favorite for adults, kids, and even pets. Its standout feature is the realistic burrito pattern, achieved through eco-friendly dyes and advanced double-sided printing technology. The blanket is constructed from ultra-soft, high-quality 285-gram flannel, which is both lightweight and breathable, making it suitable for year-round use. The manufacturer emphasizes the use of fade-resistant dyes and wrinkle-resistant fabric, ensuring that the blanket maintains its vibrant appearance and soft texture even after repeated washes. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages in user reviews is the exceptional softness of the blanket. Many users, including those with sensitive skin or texture issues, report that the flannel material feels gentle and non-irritating against the skin. This softness persists even after multiple washes, with the fabric resisting pilling and maintaining its plush feel. The blanket is described as lightweight, yet surprisingly warm, providing comfort during chilly evenings without feeling heavy or stifling. Its warmth is appreciated in a variety of climates, from cold winter nights to breezy evenings in warmer regions. Despite its lightness, the blanket effectively retains heat, making it a versatile option for use on the couch, in bed, while traveling, or even outdoors during camping trips. The design of the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket is another major selling point. The realistic tortilla print is highly detailed, with vibrant colors and a texture that convincingly mimics a freshly baked tortilla. This attention to detail has led to the blanket being a frequent conversation starter and a source of amusement among family and guests. Many users recount stories of laughter and smiles when friends and family see the blanket for the first time. The novelty of wrapping oneself up and looking like a giant burrito is a recurring theme in reviews, with some users even using the blanket as part of costumes or themed parties. The double-sided print ensures that the tortilla pattern is visible from any angle, enhancing the overall effect and making the blanket visually appealing whether draped over furniture or wrapped around a person. As a gift, the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket receives consistently high marks. It is often purchased as a gag gift or novelty present for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Recipients frequently express delight at the humor and creativity of the gift, and the blanket's practicality as a warm, soft throw adds to its appeal. The blanket is described as suitable for a wide range of recipients, including women, men, teens, children, and even pets. Its universal appeal makes it a popular choice for those seeking a unique and memorable present that is both functional and fun. Many reviewers note that the blanket is well received by all ages and that it quickly becomes a household favorite. Durability is another area where the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket excels. Users report that the blanket holds up well over time with minimal signs of wear even after years of use. The fabric resists pulling and does not become scratchy or rough, maintaining its original softness. The blanket is machine washable and can be tumble dried on a low setting, making it easy to care for and maintain. The manufacturer recommends washing the blanket before first use, and users confirm that it washes well without fading or shrinking. The anti-wrinkle properties of the fabric ensure that the blanket retains its smooth appearance, even after being packed in a bag or left folded on the couch. The versatility of the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket is frequently highlighted in user feedback. It serves as a cozy sofa blanket, a lightweight travel companion, a camping essential, and a playful accessory for themed events. Its round shape and generous size make it suitable for wrapping around oneself or sharing with others. Some users mention using the blanket for picnics in the park, while others enjoy it as a warm layer during outdoor activities. The blanket's lightweight construction makes it easy to pack and carry, adding to its convenience for travel and on-the-go use. Despite its many strengths, there are a few minor drawbacks mentioned by users. Some note that the blanket's lightweight nature may not provide sufficient warmth in extremely cold conditions, making it better suited as a layering piece rather than a primary source of warmth in harsh winter climates. Others mention that the round shape, while fun and visually appealing, may not provide the same coverage as a traditional rectangular blanket when used for sleeping. However, these concerns are generally outweighed by the blanket's overall comfort, softness, and novelty value. The Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket is also praised for its ease of care. The machine washable fabric and fade-resistant dyes ensure that the blanket remains in excellent condition with minimal effort. Users appreciate that the blanket does not require special handling or delicate washing cycles, making it a practical addition to any household. The blanket's resistance to wrinkles and pilling further enhances its longevity and appearance, ensuring that it continues to look and feel great over time. Customer satisfaction with the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket is reflected in its high rating, hangs, and positive reviews across multiple platforms. With an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars and over 14,000 reviews, the blanket has established itself as a top choice in the novelty and gift blanket category. It consistently ranks among the best sellers in bed throws and is frequently recommended by users for its unique combination of humor, comfort, and quality. In summary, the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket stands out as a well-made, ultra-soft, and delightfully whimsical product that brings joy and warmth to users of all ages. Its realistic tortilla design, high-quality flannel construction, and versatile functionality make it a standout gift for any occasion. The blanket's durability, easy care, and universal appeal ensure that it remains a favorite long after the initial novelty has worn off. Whether used as a cozy throw, a playful costume accessory, or a conversation-starting gift, the Jorbest Burritos Tortilla Wrap Blanket delivers on its promise of comfort and fun. If you are considering purchasing this blanket, you can find the product link in the description. Supporting the channel by using this link helps us continue to bring you in-depth product reviews. If you have experience with this blanket, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision.